Akwesi Afewa Onaye proprietor our Jeff Ann International School Watema Bang 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 bang. Guaranteed Trust Bank say Obama wait me at your man of fees, you know. Our brown fast stress BMO. And wait me at your fees, no brown call school premise as well. One bank star 737 hash. And I say my GHP so simply download my GHP app from your Play Store or App Store and then make payment with your card or mobile money anytime, anywhere. Be receive an electronically generated receipt. Yeah, best submit to a school as proof of payment. Where you can also walk into any of our branches nationwide. Now I make payment to over 100 schools through our GT Collect platform. So with GT Bank's convenient payment platforms, you are guaranteed a fast, efficient, and stress-free way to pay school fees this season. Phrase 0302611560 and our Fair toll-free line 0800-124-000 for further inquiries. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Open the bank bank. Here we are. Open the bank bank. And I do so bank bank. About your NA's open. Home appliances. From brands B to say Nasco, Samsung, Media, TCL, and I say Skyweather. But what they also do any Freddy's Corner. Yes, Freddy's Corner. TVs, fridges, air conditioners, mobile phones, laptops, printers, gas cookers, home theater systems, stabilizers, microwaves, CCTV cameras, Bluetooth speakers, washing machines, water dispensers. Nina, you're on Papa Pano. Now make us say you run promotion be a war. Your head office work. Obana Betosa appliances imubia. Instant lubet me on your mobile phone. And I say iron, blender, kettle, and a bag of rice free. The patron head office no a bang a city light o kokumlemle. A hot and a boss no. You are the dope go honey. Obasna and CCTV cameras here fix it be mawa. Say your warehouse and our shop and our fee and our hotel. Wait me monitor activities there cost our property no all the time. Me check 24 hours a day. Our mobile phone so what Ghana so what broche. You can always monitor activities there cost our property no nya abribia. Me patron say buy head office na ben light to kokumlemle na. Say your mobile phone now say or tablet and now laptop now per se repair ma wa. I know they want wabra wo twen na. Yes ye dia ma wo. Na ya ma pastries ne drinks bi ni ade. What they ajeje wa no to attack akra so akopim se be se bu ewi. Emu ye pa. Patron Freddy's corner was 0544 959 195 or 020 793 7323. Freddy's Corner, your authentic source of latest mobile phones and accessories. Open the bang bang. Here we are, open the bang bang. There be I bang bang. Hey, bang bang.
You on the mix.
And then bang bang.
Open the bang bang. Here we are, open the bang bang. And I do so bang bang.
If I try to go fuse bundle, no, ya can't want some more. Now, as I say, Jitum Precope say, way any idea gonna need baby here. Because, come to think of it, my bundle, they are saying, me, now, my time say, me using within time. We Miss Wadi and Pesa me and Kakaka. Maybe 1 year, the baby you are, and can define me. Me don't want to see some anyway. When the only core bundle which does not expire. So, call all networks. Browse with no expiry wahala. Because time no be problem on Airtel Tigo Fuse bundle. You phone says here and just dial star 567 hash. Na bundle says here. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. Morris be a new. Ready and Morris. Papa Bill be a new. BM. I'm in trouble. Hey, a fine boy. You're virgins. Me a fine boy. You're virgins. I try to repair. His name is Okonfo Kwade, and he calls this one a my Jojo me. It goes out to you, my brother Nana Kwame, enjoying the show in Hanover, Germany. Only wifey Evelyn, and then Kolana Michon Munina. To our story, no so. The mom says, "Yeah, baby, I do it. It's filler time, baby." Nah, Tima Kunkum. Oh yeah, guy. Oh, now most videos need be when. Oh, essay videos, no South Africa videos, no. And I'm saying, are you sure you want to watch this? Me videos, no, bare 1,000. But it be anymore. Mashe fugra because I can't stand those things. Not Tima Kunkum yet to know. Oh, videos. I feel share back where you trade your told us and you live. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I feel oh, Jesus. Unia come there. I so bad. Tima Kuku Makwaba.
Okay, mommy too.
Charlie, you too. Oh, Charlie, somewhere. Me have to that now affect too. Charlie, yes, you.
Anything come, Papa. That's any pa.
No, you need to say pa.
Nyamin so ya kumen because we dey no ehye. On xenophobic comments yana Sonibadu akoka ewo social media say on tiase say Nigeria phones say Nigeria phones who attack foreigners and South African companies near there what Nigeria no. And as Sonibadu ka say emfa boni into ya bonika. I mean two wrongs don't make a right. And ko fuja Nigeria fuja ne papa say eyo mu ya ye say wo kasa. The sense papa anya hwea sometimes boni so nya den enye hwea. Na inti say ya de ne ho ayeden achi ne ye papa on the xenophobic comment. On this same xenophobic comment na ye nua ba Bibi Bright. Or say and they use MTN.
Yeah.
MTN South African company. And they will delete it wa reporting the number need to Glow.
Oh, okay.
It I say supporting Nigeria because Glow a Nigerian company. Into and all they are to social media say Ghana actresses, actors and as a media persons and coming against MTN and kick you out of our system because the wouldn't about you share no one sense you.
Or you train kakras and a man for kakra where woman near the adeno uncle lock yampa nada.
Brother, you want time you?
Yeah, because it's serious. Amount for cash a walk MTN for say MTN for the all banks because people amount for you sue momo say crash and bank transactions. What I say? It is a mochana bibisa beba. O de mo me run sika nu fi owi ansa. Ansa na.
Brother, you call your suspect. Be sure say we sika egu
because mo be ya na fe because the omo ya Nigeria say imagine say mobile money MTN and now we say I mean what happened? It's not and there might be one more in trying to react to some of these things. No, we should be very careful how we go about it.
Of course. It's also no putting a number to glow on your be so MTN bill because South Africans omoye say nyama no omoye na ano hye braje video dey ni say me hwe gina
video me cry me there
na wo dey my to say no yen fi ona yen ka bibi ebetimi yi adwen free so kakra Morris Ampa say enyo ono anka menim say ye wo sexual fraud
sexual fraud
no
ye be fraud
o say romance fraud o say oba odi charms edi yema obema fall in love with you no enye bema ne pe inti bema ne betumi in the court of law your fundamental human right of men inti say enye ne pe no de do wo na wo ko yusu mamaji o say mamaji na nka so say e chi no because o ka ho bi e na crime no eye den e koso because e wonuro bi a say ebi abraje say me pewa metimi de eguti mama onu ma baby a me fe bi obedi mechi wo sorry am kakra o say tema where are you ai ye woni nyina bi wo ho into o say no I say e against human right into a fraudulent act and wo mo ye no into a romantic fraud
Ghana romantic fraud
because I say and yes I can nyama ni bi won say ma be ma ni mouse ka bebre serious o nyama ni on mouse ka bebre ni nya say wo cha me enye me right metimi eje
mfimi mu
o say samba ni etumi jeli o mu na fraudulent act into ade a your friend is a lawyer Morris ni buefu pa no wo de kasa no say enkoche mamaji na me nwa ba Wendy Shea release Jeep Wrangler na ya do release ye no nkofo say ebi mo say enya de asa registration ni ye Shea 2319 almost say DVL Jaisa ne my say 1991 inti enya no kre na Wendy Shea say okay because ye nua be fia sha stega kra be ka say enya no kre na Wendy say obeya mana yo mu ya inti Wendy ko fa registration details no and we try and what to Instagram and we caption here or see we just they make them wonder as she will #Shea 2319
that's all
low battery #Deep Wrangler be a day
yes and
Shea Wrangler
and
what you see afa oti koshi dem
mo montiasi now
Shea what Ashatawale quickly or congratulate him Shea say opeso che say ade ono no wato ono ade ni sika ato Jeep Wrangler ni na aka hu bi na ase nyama na ye de koso no na Santana so release new song on Dope Nation enyom ne friend Abeku yes me kwana me nim so no na sure odonyom ye obrafo nyom yes say Abeku Santana na etro sa nyom 2000 mi bro ni odo mensu odo hey so obrafo ya dia Abeku Santana na etro sa nyom lyrics ni bibia o compose de ma obrafo say enya wanwa say why they will release it and we all can't wait say a bit so nim Dope Nation enemies them say so links na den manager money
okay
now on that note and big brother Elikem xenophobic idea semo was say idea South Africa for the penny pa from the beginning or sit time what big brother house no South Africa for akwaje 40 to the extent say so you Ghana ni and so your other country no so born home modern or see you free big brother must see a hono kwa no do hu say omu ni suban omu sam page man so emfa enka hu ai na ye de midija o kwan ola Michael or ye movie actor or see one actress so ni o mada o Ghana no so kasi wo kan asembeba na no enye
na te ware won
omo na omo to omo homo
omo ana de bre no
nti de basa na ase wontimi we enya mama G na de ye yo
na omo de ba on so wontimi ka se we de me
dabi ebe kokko de nkokko na braje asembe na okay
ahoshe so no she da ni ho sa
ai se o pamia no me boa kala maka ku ise wa baba ai nti no
ya mana kwa ba abusia de tre ya ochina beti enka fie ye Perez Dome ye de Ofie Kwanso be fie o de abroad live yes so ye da mu nyina asesa mo ne ye tena free no me san bre be pem sa bre ya me hwa mu nyina e de asem na de na hwe we ade fa ho ben As they do on common producers, no Papa Bills African. I saw a kitty around. If you don't come on Nana, Bedi de. I feel Kwame Oboa dear. Kobe Stone or Command Cry. And I feel Tima Kunkum. I was your friend, Jerry Justice. As always, we show me I know what you know what's reaction. It's as if we are some nipa and session. Thanks.